That's right, guys. It's me, James Swinney from, well, where else? The NYSC. That's right. And after a mixed weekend, well, at least a mixed weekend for me, because on Saturday, Chelsea was dominant. And yesterday, I don't even want to bring up the Jets game. I have to say that, I'm kind of glad it's a Monday after yesterday's games, but it's also a Monday. We're 4 days away from the weekend. But I do have something that might lift you up. It's after 4 o'clock. The markets are closed and it's time. It's time to have a drink. Happy hour in New York City. Now, U.S. stocks, they rebounded from early morning losses, but they still remained in the red this afternoon. Just not as bad as investors looked ahead to the week of upcoming economic reports. Now, first of all, stocks, they didn't move much, following a 1% decline in pending home sales figures for the month of August. And futures, they were also little changed after reports saw that personal income, that rose 0.3% in August. That was in line with expectations as well. Now, earlier, the bigger story was protests in Hong Kong, continuing to rattle global markets. But analysts are now saying that the situation would not have a long-lasting impact on the markets. So what exactly is going on in Hong Kong? There is a pro-democracy protest in Hong Kong intensifying, and it continued to intensify over the weekend. Riot police, they fired rounds of tear gas, and demonstrators, they continued to block roads on Monday, even leading the way for schools and banks to close. Now, you team that with a lack of corporate news, with another earnings season looming next week, and it seems like we'd have the kind of market that we have now, where one stock advanced for every decliner right here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets closed out the week. And in corporate news, Apple edging lower on news that the European Commission is expected to heavily fine the tech firm for allegedly taking advantage of illegal tax deals with the Irish government for more than 20 years. And Facebook getting on news that banks may request access to their clients' accounts on the social media site and use the stability of the Friends networks to determine credit risk. Meanwhile, Macy's losing ground despite news that it will increase its holiday workers by about 3.6% over the weekend.